Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I passed by one Dollar Tree yesterday and I'm gonna say that there was not, again, a whole lot that was new, but there were a couple items that were, and I needed a few things, so I thought I would share this quick little haul with you. Normally I have everything laid out on the table so that you could see an overview of all the things that I got, but this time I just left it in the box. Let me know in the comments section below, does your Dollar Tree save the boxes for customers to pack their items in? This one particular Dollar Tree I go to is the only one that I know of that does that, and I actually like it a lot better. Sometimes I'll reuse the boxes for packing purposes or just to organize things and store them nicely on my shelf downstairs. But yeah, let me know in the comments section excuse me, if any of your Dollar Trees do the same. So I'm just gonna go straight out of the box and pull things out and show you what I brought home. So the first thing here, I have these Dollar Tree dolls, and I have to tell you, I really like these. And for myself who is getting into reborning, when I do make up some dolls, then I think these are really cute to send along with them. So this time around, I picked up the little blonde girl, and she has her pink little outfit on. And these are just called, the tag just says doll. Just collect all of them. They are by Greenbrier, or distributed by Greenbrier International. And then I picked up this darker one, which I absolutely love. So cute. Again, in a pink outfit. I came across the last two of these, and I thought this was really cute. They are the mobile gaming grip handle. So you can see here, it shows a picture if you are using it with your phone, because it also is a phone stand. But when you're playing a game, you can actually hold it in this way. So I thought for any gamers out there, that'd be a really neat little gadget for them to have. And there was only two, so I picked up one for each of my boys. And it did say that it is compatible, in case you're wondering. Works with most touchscreen smartphones, ergonomic design. So that's great. I picked up this glitter sticker pack, and there are 33 pieces. It is by Crafter Square. Thought that was cute. I did pick up one of these in the past, but I saw them again and I wanted another one for my bathroom. It just says relax, just to put by my tub, and I like the finish of it as well. It is the MDF particle board, but it has the faux wood look on the front. This is the first time I saw these, and I thought they were really cute. They are the LED metal tree lamp. So it's a little tea light, but the gold tree is really pretty. So much detail on it. So I picked up one of those. I picked up, this is it says candle holder, but I actually picked it up to put it by my sink on my little tray with my soap and candle, just so that I can take my rings off and then place them in there. And I like that it had the little cover so that they don't get wet, and I just love the finish of it too. Really cute. And they came in silver, gold, and I believe a rose gold, but I did take a picture of it though. I picked up a couple packs of the old El Paso chili. I know I can get it cheaper at Walmart, but I was there and I wasn't planning on going anywhere else, so I just grabbed a couple there. I came across the oven mitts of the North Pole Bed and Breakfast. I had picked up the tea towels and I was hoping that these would come to my Dollar Tree, and they did. So I picked up a couple of those with the black and white buffalo check that you can see I love. I picked up a microfiber mop head by Standard Essential. I picked up a couple more of these shelves, which I really love. They are the Decor shelves, and these ones are nice because they have the metal built right into the shelf. So they just fold open and then you hang them up, and you can see the picture there. So these are really nice. I had already bought two, but I wanted to get a couple more. And the last three items were all new items, and that's why I really wanted to do the DIY. I came across these decor pieces and I thought they were really cute. This one says, "Come gather at our table," and I'm gonna put this in my trailer on top of the table. Just really pretty. And again, there were a few more that I did take pictures of. They should be at the beginning of this video. Then I came across some more cathedral decor pieces, cathedral window decor pieces, and I love this one. They came in the black and the natural wood finish, and then they have the little clip so that you can place a picture. Really nice. So I picked up a few of those. And then the item I was most excited about, oh my goodness, are these decor pieces that are a little barn. And you can see this one is in red, and then it has the finish here. And I'm not quite sure if it's actual wood. It could be. I don't really know, but it looks like wood. This was my favorite out of the three, and it says "Home is wherever I'm with you." So these could be a Valentine's Day item. I have not seen them before, but I love them. So I did get a few of the red. And then they had the pink one that says "Home is where the heart is." And then the last one says "Love lives here." All three of them are cute. I just love the red with that wood finish. I love that pop of red to add it to my decor. And that is it, guys. That's all the things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So here I have my empty box to use it for something else. But I really love that they do that. So this way I don't have to get the bags, and they come in handy. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree haul. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.